Hello everyone. Today I am here introducing a mantra myself rather than my characters come students announcing it, because this mantra deserves a special place, because this is a serious issue which we should all come together and tackle it, which is depression. Tackling depression,
Yes,
facing it and coming out of it. It's really important.
yes. This is a serious issue and definitely needs to be addressed seriously.
Absolutely correct, ma'am. And the people don't want to talk about depression as they think, people who are suffering from depression are mad and they don't want to talk about it either.
Just like a physical illness like cough, fracture, headache, depression is a mental illness.
But there is nothing to be ashamed of depression because everyone goes through a low time or low phase.
Depression can happen due to various reasons. It could be not clearing your exams. It could be, parental pressure, job-related issues, heartbreak. It could be because of any reason.
Right, but you know what? It can also be without any reason. Depression is something one cannot explain as to why someone is depressed.
Yes, depression is a small word, but the weight that it carries is difficult to explain.
But what does our mind feel and what does our mind think when we go through this phase?
All the negative thoughts. Mind works extremely fast when it comes to negative thoughts and doesn't work at all when we try to gain courage or think something positive. And one feels that their world, it has ended for them. There is no hope, there is no looking forward when person is depressed.
Actually, there are certain cases of depression which leads a person suffering from depression to suicide. It is suicidal, and those cases need very, very minute and proper mentoring.
And I think depression has no time frame. Someone can be depressed for a week or a month or even a year.
Yes, it depends on case to case basis, but it is most important to come out of it.
So, the best way is to talk to people you love and whom you trust. Get busy, not lock yourself in a room. Do things that you love.
But the problem is people are so superficially busy in their work and in their life that they don't find time to talk to others.
Actually, you know what, guys? Depression has no symptoms. Like if you're suffering from fever or cough, you have some symptoms. But depression has no symptoms. It happens, it is very difficult to understand that yes, a person is suffering from depression. Since there is no symptoms, it is beyond your recognition. It is beyond understanding. It is beyond our understanding.
Right, Sonadi, they look happy from outside, but deep within they are broken and want things to be fine, but they don't know how.
Yes, one never knows who is depressed just by appearances. Appearances are deceptive.
Yes, so the best way is to talk to people, make them feel good, and let them know that you are there.
Right, life is too short, so one should always help others. And before we give our hands to others, test ourselves, help yourself first.
Yes, it's okay to feel low. It's okay to cry. It's okay to break down. You will rise again. You will shine. Maybe today is not the time, but yes, one day the time will be there. And there is no problem in seeking help from others or seeking some clinical help also. That's absolutely fine. To know more about it, and please do talk to people on a regular basis, your friends, your family, your relatives, to know if someone is suffering from this insane thing called depression. Well, to know more about it, grab a copy of No Stopping You. It's written in detail obviously nothing can tell what depression is, but yes, we all can come together and make world a better place, a happy place to be in. And know that nothing in the world can stop you from achieving and living the life of your dreams, because there is nothing, there is no stopping you.
No stopping you.
Stopping you.
No stopping it.